We're getting closer. Getting closer. There's plenty of people. I see cops. Quite a Sharmuta cops. A stretcher. There's a smell in the air. There's a laptop with some coordinates. As you see, some shit's happening. Look at all these firefighters. All these firefighters. They're here. There's still fire coming from there. Holy shit. There's a lot of fire coming out of that house. There are people inside. There are cars still parked in the parking lot. Alright, this is crazy. Crazy. This is teamwork at its best. As you see here, it's safe, I guess. Oui, merci, merci. The monsieur, the cop, m'a dit for me to leave, so I'm gonna leave. And oh, as you see, it's a very, very, very crazy area. All right, so that's it. Cut.